and I'm explaining you the multi-SaaS tenant platform, and this is the multi-tenant schema. This is about tenants, users, and the projects and the tasks schema where the tenant ID is available in every table, and these are the schemas that were created by using the SQL. This is the tenant one, and this is the users.sql, and this is the projects.sql, and this is the tasks.sql. This was the page, and every SQL table exists the tenant ID, and this is the table that is audit logs, okay, that for authentication. And this is the database.js. We use it PostgreSQL for the database, and we use a localhost as a DB host. And these are the two images as we earlier seen the schema. And this is the system architecture. For the client side, we use it React plus White, and HTTP for the request and route, Postgres for the database, and we use it the DB. And the whole project is Dockerized app. So we are checking for the whether the app is connected to the Docker or not. So for that, Docker compose ps hyphen services that will give you what the containers are created in the Docker. We created database backend, database, and front end in the Docker, and we are using Docker compose ps for how much space the front end, back end, and database occupied in the Docker container. So these are the ones for the SaaS platform. And the database is successfully connected, and the database is working, and the backend server started successfully. The health API is also healthy, and the status is connected for the front end, and all the tables that we created for the backend are executing. We can see in the screen. And this is the local host for the front end that runs in the 3000 port, and this is our front end UI. For firstly, we can register organization. So we are creating a company name, subdomain, admin email, and the password. So now here we are creating company, that is organization. So and then we are creating the subdomain also, and we are giving the admin name as user, and we are creating the email belongs to the, and we are also giving the password too. Okay, we are keeping some of the passwords. And this is the organization. Now we can save the password or else leave, and we need to give the subdomain as we created earlier, and we are signing in for that subdomain. So we have successfully logged in. This is the dashboard. Active projects, completed tasks, and pending tasks will be displayed here, and this is the user mail account. And for the creation of new projects, we'll tap on new projects, that will be redirected to projects page. Here we can see that, and this is about creation of new project. So we'll give some project name over there, and the description here about the project. In this we are also create the tasks. We can create a task that will be in the progress, or that was completed, or that is to do now. The three sets of tasks will be created in this space. We have created a creation that will be in to do manner, and deletion that is already completed, and completion that is in progress. We can also create our team members like users. So our user, which is an account handler, that is tenant admin. Now we are creating the user here by adding team member. So we can give user read or write assigned tasks, and we create as a member. And we are also create an admin who has complete access for everything. So I give him as an admin full access. We successfully created the users. Now I'll be signing out, and I will be logging with another mail. registering another company. So as we created earlier, we now create subdomain and admin name and admin email and the password, two for the every user who is not being registered. For the ones who are registered, we can simply log in with the details and their subdomain in the workspace. So we successfully registered an organization, and now we are logging in, and that is about user, that is super admin, who has complete access for the projects, for everything in this website. We are creating the project over here with some description, and we are also create tasks inside the projects. The project is in active status, we can see in that one, and this is the dashboard. The active projects is one. We not yet created any tasks in that project, and we are creating some team members for this project. Here we have created Akhil, who is as a user, so he have some limited access, and we are creating another team member, Sarayu, and we have given them a mail and password, and now we are giving her full admin access so that she can access the whole project without any limitations. As we see, the app is fully Dockerized, multi-tenant SaaS platform. Now we can check the API health. The API health is connected, healthy, the status is okay, and database is connected to that. And this is strictly Dockerized app, and this is my readme file where you can know everything. And this is the readme file, and thank you.